Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we are going to take up one very interesting functional equation problem for the value of fx. So let's get started. We have two quadratic arguments over here, x square minus 2x plus 3 and x square minus 6x plus 11. We want to find what substitution we should take over here. So I will find axis of symmetry for this quadratic expression. As per vertex formula, it is minus b over 2a. b is minus 2, a is 1, so we will get 1. 2 over 2 is 1. Here we will find axis of symmetry, which will be equal to, as per formula, minus b over 2a. Here b is minus 6. So we will write 6 over 2, which will be equal to 3. Now we will find midpoint of these two axes. Midpoint equal to k equal to 1 plus 3 over 2, which will be 4 over 2 or 2. Now we have reflection formula, 2k minus x. K is 2, so we will replace functional variable x by 4 minus x. Then we can swap these arguments. Let's replace. We'll write 3 times f of x square, so we'll write 4 minus x whole square minus 2 times 4 minus x plus 3 minus f of x square, so 4 minus x whole square minus 6 times 4 minus x plus 11 will be equal to 4 times 4 minus x whole square minus 2. Now we have to simplify these curly brackets and right hand side. Let me write functional equation over here. Here it is. Now we will write 3 times f of 4 minus x whole square is 16 plus x square minus 8x minus 8 plus 2x plus 3. Then we have minus f. 4 minus x whole square is 16 plus x square minus 8x minus 24 plus 6x plus 11 will be equal to 4 times 4 minus x whole square is 16 plus x square minus 8x minus 2. We will simplify and write here 3 times f of, in bracket there would be x square minus 8x plus 2x minus 6x. 19 minus 8 is 11. We have swapped argument. Minus f. Here we will write x square minus 2x plus 3. And in right hand side we'll be getting 4x square minus 32x plus 62. Let's say this is our equation number 1 and here we have equation number 2. Now I am going to perform operation equation 2 times 3 plus 1 plus equation 1. We will get, let me write here, equation 2 times 3, 9 times f of x square minus 6x plus 11 minus 3 times f of x square minus 2x plus 3, and in right hand side we'll multiply by 3 and get 12x square minus 96x plus 186, and equation 1 is here. We will write with minus f, x square minus 6x plus 11. Then we have plus 3 times f of x square minus 2x plus 3 will be equal to 4x square minus 2. Now we have to add both the equations. Now we will cancel these two terms. So 9 minus 1 is 8. We will write 8 times f of x square minus 6x plus 11 in LHS, and in RHS there would be 16x square minus 96x plus 184. Now we can take 8 common from right hand side. So in the bracket there would be 2x square minus 12x plus 23. In LHS it is 8 times f of x square minus 6x plus 11. We will divide both sides by 8, so 8 will be over. So finally we have f of x square minus 6x plus 11, which will be equal to 2x square minus 12x plus 23. Now we can write 23, 22 plus 1. So we will write here f of x square minus 6x plus 11 equal to 2x square minus 12x plus 22 plus 1. Now we can take 2 common from these three terms. So 2 is common. In the bracket there would be x square minus 6x plus 11 plus 1. And in LHS we have f of x square minus 6x plus 11. Now we will swap our variable x square minus 6x plus 11. If we will replace with k, then we can write functional equation f of k will be equal to 2k plus 1, or we can swap in x also. So f of x must be equal to twice of x plus 1. Here x must be greater than or equal to 2. So we have answer fx equal to 2x plus 1. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.